Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will show you how to test or check a capacitor of 420 volt over 120 microfarad. This is a damaged or expired capacitor and this is a new one. Today I will show you how to test properly with analog meter. Set your meter continuity mode. It is the negative leg or marked with negative sign, and it is the positive. Same like new one, it is the negative part or it is the positive. Negative and positive. First of all, we check damaged capacitor or open or short circuit capacitor. Put your eyes on meter screen and also connect negative probe or black probe with negative and positive probe with positive leg. Check out the meter. The meter reading still shown stable with the last resistance value. If it will correct the resistance gradually come to 0, but it is a expired or damaged or short circuit capacitor, so the resistance value is still. Now we exchange the probes of meter. The same condition. Okay, now we are check the new capacitor. First of all, discharge the capacitor with metal strip. If we not I show you how to protect yourself with these damages. First of all, short the capacitor. Short capacitors, be careful. You must short the capacitor before performing any test. Okay, be careful. Maybe it's fully charged, so be careful when you test a capacitor that you unplug or disassemble from circuit. Put a metal strip or both legs connect and discharge all the charge from capacitor. Okay, now perform the test. Put negative probe to the negative and positive to the positive. Check the meter, it is gradually down and stable. Now every capacitor that shows this reading, the capacitor will be okay. Now exchange the probes. Check the meter. Now infinity resistance, no short circuit in the capacitor, it is the new. Exchange the capacitor with new one and put it on circuit. First of all, safety measures, take safety measures first. Okay, I hope you like this video. During this video I will show you a live demo of fully charged, not a fully charged, it is only a few seconds. I connect the circuit and then I discharge. It is fully charged. Okay, first of all, I again repeat you, please discharge the new capacitor before applying test or before applying to the circuit. Like our video if you like, share if you like, and subscribe to my channel.